Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video I will show you guys how to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle Corporation that allows you to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single physical computer. For the complete process, stay with me till the end of this video. Now first of all, open up a preferred web browser and on the search box type virtualbox.org and press enter. You shall be led to Virtual official homepage. You will get to see VirtualBox description here. Now to download, click on Downloads at the left side. You will see the packages that are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Solaris. I will be downloading Windows. Click on the package to download. As you can see, it's downloading, so this might take a little bit of time, so wait until then. And once it is downloaded, open it up. You can directly open it by double-clicking it or by locating the file. Now the installation process will begin. So here we can see that 7.0.10 version setup wizard. Click on next. You can see here the location set by default, C programs, file Oracle. If you want to install on different location, then click on browse here and give the location that you want to store on. Now click on next. On the next step, installing this software temporarily disconnect your network to reset your network connection. So you are just being warned about it. Now click on yes. Click on yes. Now finally click on install button. Installing might take a little bit of time, so wait until it is installed. Now you can see that the shortcode for VirtualBox has already appeared on the display. To start VirtualBox after installation, tick the radio button and finally click finish button. Now let's open it up and this is how the home page looks. For installing any operating system, you will have to download ISO file for the OS, which can be downloaded from internet. And once it is downloaded, here you can see this new, click on it. Now enter the machine name and by default you can see the type and version has been chosen. And click next. You can modify virtual machine's hardware by changing amount of RAM and virtual CPU count here. So this was it for today guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated.